fact, the Huey helicopters also mounted Gatling miniguns and heavy machine guns in operational service. But if you want to see a Gatling gun, as you look on the port side of the 086 Cayuse being flown in now by Neil Airy, you will see the Gatling gun on the side of the aircraft. When he makes his low pass, you will see the gun on the side of the aircraft. Launch well in the nomenclature for the, and that's a big word, isn't it? Nomenclature, right. The nomenclature for the Cayuse is LOH, Light Observation Helicopter, and that is of course where the Loach name came from it. Huey, well, that was known as the Bell UH-1, HU-1, so that the helicopter utility 1, Huey, so that's where the name came. So you look, Keith Davis now approaching from the right, another pass sideways with the mighty UH-1, the Huey, the Bell Iraquoi helicopter, the US Army.